Dear all, welcome to this video on Marketing Analytics KMB MK05. Topic covered here is Unit 3 Discriminant Analysis for driving market segments and describing the segments. My name is Dr. Rudresh Pandey. I am a professor at Department of Business Administration, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. What is discriminant analysis? During a study, there are often questions that strike the researcher that must be answered. These questions include questions like: are the groups different? On what variable are the groups more different? Can one predict which group a person belongs to using such variable, etc.? In answering these questions, discriminant analysis is quite helpful. Discriminant analysis is a regression-based statistical technique used in determining which particular classification or group. It differs from group building techniques such as cluster analysis in that the classification or group to choose from must be known in advance. Discriminant analysis is form of multivariate analysis in which the objective is to establish a discriminant function. Discriminant analysis is a statistical tool with an objective to assess the adequacy of a classification given the group membership or to assign objects to one group among a member of groups. Discriminant analysis is quite close to being a graphical version of MANOVA, which is multivariate analysis of variance, is simply an ANOVA with several dependent variables and often used to complement the findings of cluster analysis. Now let us come to use of discriminant analysis. Discriminant analysis is a technique that is used by researchers to analyze the research data when the criteria or the dependent variable is categorical and predictor, or the independent variable is interval in nature. The term categorical variable means that the dependent variable is divided into number of categories. For example, three brands of computers A, B and C can be categorical dependent variable. It is also used to determine the factor which distinguishes different type of customer and or products. Formulate the problem and gather data. Identify the salient attributes customers use to evaluate products in this category. Linear discriminant analysis is applied in positioning and product management. Objectives of discriminant analysis. The objective of discriminant analysis is to develop discriminant functions that are nothing but the linear combination of independent variable that will discriminate between categories of dependent variable in a perfect manner. It enables researchers to examine whether significant differences exist among the groups in terms of predictor variable. It also evaluates accuracy of the classification. Discriminant analysis is described by a number of categories that is possessed by the dependent variable. It is also used, and the objective is to create perceptual maps. Discriminant analysis has various other practical applications and is often used in combination with cluster analysis. Let us say an example: the loan department of a bank wants to find out creditworthiness of applications before disbursing loans. They will use discriminant analysis. Now let us understand discriminant analysis with a simple example. Discriminant functional analysis is used to determine which variable discriminate between two or more neutrally occurring groups. For example, an educational researcher may want to investigate which variable discriminate between high school graduates who decide to go to college or to attend a trade or professional school or to seek no further training or education. For that purpose, the researcher could collect data on numerous variables prior to students' graduation. After graduation, most students will naturally fall into one of the three categories. Discriminant analysis could then be used to determine which variables are the best predictors of students' subsequent educational choice. This comes to the end of this video. I hope you have liked it. Thank you for listening.